Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we will be working on stage number 7, the left front wheel. Nothing is. Like stage 2, we get the tire and the wheels in two parts, which is metal. The Porsche hubcap and a washer. Nothing else. First we take the one side of the wheel, then we line up the other side, the 3 holes, like so, and this is held on with BM screws. I'm gonna put them all in like half a turn with the included screwdriver, and then finish with the other one. Now it's just a matter of tightening the ears. Like so. And now we need our front assembly, and we need to mount the wheel just like so, and line up the notches, line up the 4 notches in the brake disc. Then this goes in with a CM screw and a washer. Like so, just be sure to tighten the screw all the way to minimize extra play. And as piece resistance, putting the Porsche hubcap over the center. And that is stage 7 complete.